Hello everyone, today we have another offer coming up, which is rainy day radiance sales up to 50% off. So let's see, we have a terms and condition. So the offer starts tomorrow 14 July 10 a.m. to 17 July 2025 Indian time. So there is a terms and condition you can see here. We have tender care lip balm 50% off. We have a fragrance Oh Sweet 40% off. Whisper of Me 40% off. Winter 40% off. We have a eyeshadow, the one color unlimited eyeshadow, 4 colors in different shades, just at 749 rupees. We have color unlimited ultra fix lipstick 40% off. We have Yellow Skin foundation 30% off. We have Timeless Trio Smart Sing lipstick 50% off. We have Intimate Wash 399 rupees. Optimal's Urban 3D Card, Optimal's Urban Card 3D Night Cream, very good for oily skin, 50% off. We have a deodorant, not for men deodorant and cleansing gel, 30% off. We have hair serum 20% off. We have eye cream, No Age Plus eye cream, and there is No Age Pro Critical Retinol Power Drop 50% off. We have hair serum and facial oil capsule 50% off. We also have face toner, Love Nature toner 40% off. And we have finally hand cream and foot cream 50% off. So the offer starts tomorrow morning 10 a.m. in Indian time, so the offer will last till 17 midnight. So don't forget to place your order and don't miss this offer. Thank you so much for watching.